You can use all these things and you can decorate for any birthday party like this. So as you can see, I have used all these things that I got, such as stars, balloons, and this क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ये झालर है क्या ये, this ribbon, something like this, ribbons. So you can use all these things and you can decorate for any birthday party like this. This is an example, you can see. So it is looking nice. I have used other balloons because in that you are just getting only 4 colors, and you can see over here there are different balloons having different colors. This is from different package. So that's all. This is the review. I hope you will like it. Thank you. If you like it, subscribe my channel Wise Man.